going to show you how to enable or disable hourly chimes on the Apple Watch SE 3. So if you press on the crown to go to the main menu and then tap on settings, you can now scroll down and go to accessibility. Select that, and then under accessibility, if you scroll down, you should see the option chimes. So you want to tap on that, and then this is where you can enable or disable the chimes. Okay, now you can also choose the schedule for these chimes. You can have hourly chimes by default, but then you can have 30-minute chimes or 15-minute chimes depending on what you want. So it's gonna chime every 15 minutes. And then if you go back, you can see you can actually choose the sound for your chimes. You could have birds or bells, but keep in mind that whatever you select, your watch also vibrates during that chime. All right, so that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.